Loyalty cards, gym memberships, that discount for the quirky cat cafe down the street, it gets overwhelming. But what if there was a way to streamline all those payments into one sleek app? That's where Raiz comes in. Raiz isn't just another digital wallet. It's a financial companion designed to simplify your life. But with so many payment options these days, you might be wondering, how exactly do I pay with Raiz? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of frictionless payments, Raiz style. Step 1. Download and set up your Raiz app. First things first, you'll need the Raiz app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. Once it's installed, creating an account is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Step 2. Link up your funding source. Raiz doesn't magically generate money, although wouldn't that be nice? To make payments, you'll need to link a funding source. This could be your checking account, a debit card, or even a credit card, though keep an eye on those interest rates. The app will guide you through the secure linking process, ensuring your financial information stays safe. Step 3. Find your payment paradise. Now comes the fun part, using Raiz to pay. Here are some of the ways you can unleash its payment power. In-store payments. Look for stores that display the contactless payment symbol. It usually looks like 4 wavy lines. Simply hold your phone near the payment terminal, and voila! Raiz will handle the rest with secure near-field communication, NFC, technology. No more fumbling for cash or searching for the right card. Online shopping spree? No problem. Many online retailers accept digital wallets like Raiz. During checkout, look for the Raiz logo or the option to pay with a digital wallet. Select Raiz, confirm the payment details, and you're good to go. Say goodbye to manually entering your card information every time. Sending money to friends. Need to split the bill with a friend? Raiz has you covered. The app allows you to send money directly to other Raiz users instantly. It's like a virtual piggy bank exchange, perfect for settling those group dinners or movie nights. Bonus tip, keep an eye on rewards. Raiz often partners with retailers to offer exclusive deals and rewards for using their app. Before you hit that pay button, check the Raiz app for any available promotions. You might just score some cashback or discounts on your purchases. Security first, always. Raiz prioritizes your financial security. They use top-notch encryption technology to safeguard your information. Plus, features like two-factor authentication add an extra layer of protection. So you can shop and pay with peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching. We hope this video has empowered you to conquer the world of payments with Raiz. Until next time, happy spending, responsibly, of course.